I've got it all washed off and rinsed off. Now what do you want me to do now?
Run it down the block, make a U-turn, come back and put it in the garage.
And you always drive your car. You used to always drive your car around the block after you wash it. What's up with that? What's the reason?
It takes a lot of the water off. It helps it dry out.
Helps to dry out just by driving it that bit, because it takes a lot of this water and it runs off. And so when you wipe it off, it's a little bit quicker. Is that it?
No, by driving it down the block and back, it makes more coming off.
Okay. Okay. All right. I guess I'll do that. So every time he washes a car, he does that. And by the way, you remember what we did last week? We took that to the car wash. How come we're washing it by hand today? Isn't it? It's just as easy to do it with a car wash. $6 and we could have done this whole thing.
Well, we're doing the wheel wells in there.
Yeah.
By ourselves. I don't think they can do it. They'll
Yeah.
just do the tires and rims.
That's a point.
And
we washed inside the wheel wells, and we're going to do a little bit better job on wiping the tires off. And usually when you go through a car wash, the windows don't usually come out crystal clear either, do they?
well, the outside do.
And well, last time we went, I saw all kinds of drips on there, and Mom asked us if we had washed the car because she wasn't even sure. So when you do it this way, you can take the chamois and you can rub all that off. You get a little bit better job when you do it by hand, obviously. Okay, and if you have the time. So I'm just showing you, you know, if you are gonna wash the car, do it right. Oh yeah. I got it.
Okay.
The chamois right here. We'll be back for that in a minute.
Okay, sir.
Another thing that's a good touch, my pops, he always usually opens up the doors and wipes down everything on the inside. That's a nice little touch that you can't get from a car wash.
No.
Usually gets all the white all the way around here and up around here. Even the car door wells, when you open those, have you noticed how dirty yours are?
They still are kind of dirty, but
When you open this, you can wipe down there on the edge of this all the way around.
yeah.
It's kind of a nice little thing if you've got time to do that. You know, lots of people don't have as much time as my pops.
See in there?
Yep. And so, yeah, get your car spick and span. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah.
See the difference?
Yeah, I see. Done a good job there, Pops. Keep her up. And two, when you start using your chamois a little bit, make sure you keep rinsing it out. That's the key.
See the difference?
Once you start cleaning the inside of your door panels and stuff like that, it'll be easier to clean them next time. You look at your doors next time when you open them and see how cruddy they look. Not anymore. If you have the time and if you want, you can use your chamois and you can wipe off the rest of the car. Doesn't really take that much longer. Oh, we got the car washed. Looks pretty good, by the way.
Yes.
Nice. We'll work on the tires after a while, because you got a special thing that you use on the tires too, don't you?
Yes.
Okay. Are we done now?
I would say yes.
All right. I don't have to wash the other car.
Yes.
What?
That car hasn't been washed for 2 months.
Okay.
And I'll help you.
Oh, one more to go.
You can do it. I mean, $6, you can do it with there, or
Yeah.
you can do it here for,
Let's save the $6 and use it for breakfast. What do you say?
there you go,
Okay.
for lunch.